You're watching this video because your people are under serious pressure and you want a better solution. The warning signs are there: stress, chaos, overwhelm. High performers are burning out. Star employees calling in sick, avoiding the office, zoning out of meetings, or showing up but running on empty. The perform no matter what culture that got you here, it's now the very thing threatening your team's results and your reputation. I get it. The board demands ambitious KPIs. Revenue targets are climbing. Maybe debts pressuring cash flow. Uncertainty has turned your company into a pressure cooker. It is tough out there right now, which is exactly why you should hire me, even if your team is at the top of their game right now. Here is the critical question. How long can your team sustain this pace of always pushing to the next level? And what if I could help you not only sustain it, but exceed what you thought your next level was? If you're not leveraging your people's mindset, you are leaving serious money and performance on the table. So forget how you've done things before. What if peak performance could be sustainable, profitable, and actually fun? I've helped over 500 high achievers and companies like Norrøna Hvitserk and British American Tobacco reach the top of their game within 12 months and stay there. Unlike most coaches and psychologists, I know how powerful the brain is because I've lived it. By rewiring my brain, I went from bedridden with chronic illness to Ironman's and adventure athlete status, from pain and severe depression to thriving health and high performance. And I back that up with over a decade of deep mindset work, including a master's in performance psychology. This is not theory, it's lived, tested, and proven. Now I'm currently on a mission, literally. The mission: renew my Norwegian visa. Yes, really. My goal is to secure several new corporate partnerships, especially Nordic, by November. So when I submit my visa application, the answer is a no-brainer: yes. So what does this mean for you? For the first time in years, I'm opening up my corporate programs with unprecedented flexibility. So if you want to build a team that thrives under pressure, performs at their best without burning out, and does it all with more clarity, energy, and positivity, keep scrolling to see what we can build together. Drop me an email or give me a ring. I would love to work with you.